Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make audio sound muffled in CapCut. So let's get to it. Here I have created a project in CapCut and I have imported my audio as well, and we're going to make this audio sound muffled. So to make it muffled, we can put a voice effect to this audio. So we can tap on the audio like this, and we can tap on the audio again until this feature appear on our screen. Then we can select voice effect, and we can use there are several effects that we can use for making our audio sound muffle, and we can go to retro, and there are megaphone, lo-fi, and final to make our audio sound muffled, and we're going to try it one by one. So for example, I'm going to select megaphone, and this is the megaphone effect, and I'm going to try lo-fi, and the last one is final. Okay, and I think final is quite better than the other effect, so I'm going to choose this one, and we can adjust the strength and also the noise of the effect, and after we're done adjusting the effect, we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and let's take a look on the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can make our audio sound muffled in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.